Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn static keyword in Java. It is the most asked interview questions in the interview, especially for the beginners. In the end, I will tell you what type of a question we can expect from this topic. So let's go here. Let's think what is a static. Static means one keyword. So where we are using the static means, let's take something is common for all the objects. Something is common for all the objects. So that common thing we are making as a static means one logic or some operation. It is the common, right? It is a common. Then what we are going to do that one means for that common logic we are putting inside one method and we are making as a static, or if one variable is there, that value is the common for all the things, for all the objects, that thing we are making as a static keyword. Like pi, right? 3.14, it is a common, right? So we are making as a that variable as a static, so it is common, right? So no need to write again and again for all the objects, right? So static is the keyword used to share the class level data or methods. Static means common for all the object. It belongs to the class. It is not belongs to the object. Static variable in front of a static methods and in front of a blocks, or in the nested class we can make use of the static. So let's go. Why we use the static means to save the memory, right? So you are reducing the code, right? So writing the code again and again means it is doing the same logic, but you are putting inside the all the classes. Same logic you are writing again and again all the classes. Here what happened? Your code length will be increased. Memory it will be occupied more, right? So to reduce that one, we are putting inside one method or putting inside one class. So we are making use of that one. So that thing we can say as it is saving the memory, and we can call easily like math.square, right? Math.square. How we can do that one? Math is the class, then max is the method. We are calling that using the class name, right? No need to create object and no need to call again, right? Directly we can call that one. We can easily call that one. And here we can say that in the school name, here in the school many classes are there. In the classes many students are there. For all those students, school name is the same one, right? So school name is a common for all those students. So we are making a school name as a static variable. So static variable declared using the static keyword and stored in the method area. So shared among all the object. Let's take one simple example. So if you need a in-depth video, check my playlist. You will get that one. Static double pi equal to 3.14. Okay, this is how we can set the variable as a static. So it is normal variable, right? If you are return this much, so we'll close this one. If you are return this much, just double pi equal to 3.14. If you just return this one, it is an instance variable or something, right? If you are making use of the static keyword in front of this, it is acting as a static variable, and it you in the whole classes and for all the objects, you can directly use this variable, right? You can make use of this variable. We are creating the static variable here, right? We are declaring it once and we are making use of it many times, right? This is, we can say that it is a static variable. And here where we are going to store this static variable in the memory means in the method area we are going to store this static variable. Which are the statics means statics variable, static methods, these things are we are storing at the method area. In the instance, for instance variable we are storing the instance variable in the heap area, we can say that. This is about the static variable. How we can call that one means using the class name we can call that one. So let's go. I will write like take one, we will take one example like school is the class name and school name is the common for all, right? So this is how we are accessing it. school.s name, right? So this is how we are accessing it. Using the class name, we are accessing the static variable. This is about a static variable. And static methods. Static methods means inside a static method we are putting some of the logic that is common for all the objects. So we are putting the common logic inside the one method and we are making it as a static. So it is belongs to the all the class, and here you can use that logic for all the objects. No need to write a code again. So normally how we are going to write a method like that only we are going to write, but we are making use of the static keyword. Like that, I'm going to explain one example. Here the static, here int, it is a return type, and here add, and here the int a comma int b. So after that we are returning something rutu and return, and here the a plus b. This addition is the common, right? So same way we are going to add, right? Logic is the same but value is the different, right? That's it. What is the logic is the common for all the objects we are putting inside the method, and we are making as method as a static. And how we are can call that one means using the class name. How we call the static variable, like that. Let's take this method is present in one class called as a calculator dot. Then here I'm going to give the method name add. This is how we are going to call the static methods. Okay, this is about the static method. And static blocks means if you want to initialize the static variable, then we are putting that inside the static blocks. If you want to give some of the statements that should be executed before the main method get executed, that time that sentences we are putting inside the static blocks, and it is going to be run only once when the class is loading, right? That time the static blocks get executed. This is about the static blocks. Let's see, I will tell you what are the things can ask it on the static. So they can ask you normally what is the static keyword, and they can ask what is the static variable, or they can ask directly what is the static method, or they can ask can we override the static methods. Like that also they can ask can we override the static methods. So answer is no. Then can we have the static blocks? Like that also they can ask yes, we can have the static blocks, right? So can constructor be the static? Can constructor be the static? No, constructor can't be the static. Then one more thing they can ask, what is the static class in Java? Can we have the static class? Like that also they can ask yes, in the nested class we can make use of the static, right? Not a outer class. Inside another class means in the nested class. Can ask this and super keyword can be used in the statics methods. Like that also they can ask. And they can ask why main method is a static. Like that also they can ask in the interview. These questions you can expect from the interviewer. See, I'm telling again, this is a just a quick revision, that's it. If you need a in-depth video of the static, then go and check my playlist. You will get a in-depth knowledge from there. See you in the next. Thank you.